everyone, welcome to today's colourful surprise eggs. First up, we have a green surprise egg. It's cracked up carton from the trash pack. Next up, we have a pink surprise egg. It's a My Little Pony. Comment below if you know who the mystery pony is. Click the thumbs up button below if you like My Little Pony. Next up, we have a yellow surprise egg. It's Papa Smurf. Next up, we have a purple surprise egg. It's Gren from Cars 2. Next up, we have a pink surprise egg. It's Elsa from the movie Frozen. Comment below on your favourite Frozen character. Next up, we have a purple surprise egg. It's Olaf from the movie Frozen. Next up, we have a blue surprise egg. It's Hello Kitty on a scooter. Next up, we have an orange surprise egg. It's Percy from Thomas and Friends. Next up, we have a Kinder surprise egg. I wonder what's inside. Let's put it together. It's a spirograph. Cool. Thanks for watching today, guys. Don't forget to like and share with your friends. See ya!